Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to transfer files wirelessly between your Android phone and your PC without using a USB cable. That means you can send files from your phone to your computer and also move files from your computer back to your phone using Wi-Fi. I'll show you two methods, and both are simple to use. Let's start with the first method. For the first method, open the Play Store on your Android phone. In the search bar, type Wi-Fi FTP server. When the app appears, install it. It's a small app, so installation should finish quickly. Once the installation is complete, open the app. As soon as the app opens, you'll see your Wi-Fi status, your IP address, and network information. Now tap Start. If permission requests appear, allow them. After that, the app will generate a server address. This address is very important because that is what your PC will use to connect to your phone storage. Now, before moving to the computer, make sure your phone and your laptop are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. If you don't have a router, you can simply turn on your phone hotspot and connect your laptop to that hotspot. Once both devices are on the same network, open this PC on your computer. Inside this PC, right-click in an empty area. Select Show More Options, then choose Add a Network Location. A setup window will open. Click Next. Choose Select a custom network location, then click Next again. Now, in the Internet or Network Address field, type the exact server address shown on your phone. Make sure you type everything exactly as it appears. Then click Next. Continue through the setup until you reach Finish. As soon as you finish, your phone storage will open directly on your PC. You can now access folders, open files, and transfer anything wirelessly. To make it easier to find later, right-click the new location and rename it. You can name it My Phone or anything you prefer. Now, whenever you open it, your phone storage will appear instantly. To transfer files, simply copy files from your phone and paste them into any folder on your computer. You can also copy files from your computer and paste them into your phone folders. This first method is fast, simple, and has no file size limitation. Now let's move to the second method.